Tired of seeing that dreaded transaction declined message when trying to book a Grab ride or order food? You're not alone. Grabpay card declines can be frustrating, but don't worry, we're here to break down the most common reasons and help you get back on the road or to your delicious meal in no time. Grabpay is a super convenient way to pay for rides, food deliveries, and even groceries. But sometimes, things don't go as planned, and your card gets declined. It can be super frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry or starving. So, let's dive into the most common culprits behind those pesky Grabpay declines. Reason 1. Insufficient funds. The most obvious reason, right? Make sure you have enough funds in your bank account to cover the transaction. Check your recent bank statements to see if any unexpected charges might be eating into your available balance. Tip: set up low balance alerts with your bank to avoid this issue altogether. Reason 2. Card expiry or incorrect information. Double-check your card's expiration date. If it's expired, you'll need to update your Grabpay account with a valid card. Also, ensure that you've entered your card details correctly. Even a single misplaced digit can cause a decline. Reason 3. Card limits. Most credit and debit cards have spending limits. If your Grabpay transaction exceeds your daily, weekly, or monthly limit, it will likely be declined. Contact your bank to increase your spending limit if you frequently use Grabpay. Reason 4. Card security measures. Your bank might be flagging your Grabpay transaction as suspicious due to security measures like fraud prevention systems. If you suspect this might be the case, try contacting your bank to verify the transaction and lift any temporary holds. Reason 5. Technical glitches. Sometimes, technical glitches on Grabpay's end or temporary issues with your bank systems can cause declines. Try refreshing the app, restarting your device, and attempting the transaction again later. Reason 6. Card type restrictions. Some banks or card issuers may have restrictions on using their cards for certain types of online transactions. Check with your bank to see if your card is eligible for Grabpay payments. Troubleshooting tips. Check your Grabpay transaction history. This will give you more information about the declined transaction, such as the date and time, and may provide clues about the reason for the decline. Contact Grabpay customer support. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and are still experiencing issues, reach out to Grabpay customer support for assistance. They can investigate the issue and provide personalized solutions. Use a different payment method. If your card continues to be declined, consider using an alternative payment method supported by Grabpay, such as Grabpay credits or another credit/debit card. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.